Okay, so after solving for the fixed end moments, we solve for the stiffness factor. So we can solve for the relative stiffness. Okay, since EI is constant. So for KAB equal to KBA, okay, so it is I over L. So I over L is 3 meters. And for KBC equal to KCB, okay, that is I over the length is 6. Okay, so we find the least common multiple for 3 and 6. Okay, so we have 6 over I. 6 over I. So we multiply this with 6 over I. Okay, so again, we are not altering the meaning of the stiffness because we multiply the same term, no? The same expression. Okay, so proportionate to gihapon siya, no? Okay, so simplifying, this is equal to 2 and this is equal to 1. Okay, so we have the fixed end moment, we have the stiffness, so we can solve for the distribution factor. Now we have here the table. Okay, so our K for AB is pila to 2, for BA 2, and for BC 1 and 1. CD is an overhang, so di na kinahanglan nimo solbon pa ang iyang K, no? Okay, and the distribution factor for fixed support, the distribution factor is 0. Okay, so at joint B, you have BA and BC connecting. So we have 2 over the sum of their K's, 2 over 3, and for BC, 1 over 3. And for CB, that is a far end pin, so 1 over 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, our FEM AB minus 19.33, our FEM BA 20.67, for BC minus 58.5, and for CB 61.5. Okay, so we balance. Okay, so for AB, that is a fixed support, so di ka mo balance, no? So 0 kay imong DF 0 man. So at joint B, you have 20.67 and minus 58.5. So there is an unbalanced moment. Okay, so ang iyang unbalanced moment, imo siyang i-minus niya, ang ilang difference mo i-multiply nimo sa distribution factor. Okay, so I have here already a prepared table. Okay, so aron ta madali, di ta maabtan og kataas atong video nya, maglisod ta og post. Okay, okay, so ay naman ni. So we have now the fixed end moments, minus 19.33, 20.67, 58.5, 61.5, and minus 20. Okay, so CD na to, overhang man to si Ja. Nya, ang imong load is 20 kilonewtons times 1, so that is 20. Okay, and by the way, kung solbo nimo ang imong moment diri dapita, so the reaction is to counteract the moment produced by the 20 concentrated load. So that is why the direction of your moment for CD is equal to negative 20. Okay, so mo nang negative 20 ni siya dinhi, no? Okay, so balance. Okay, for AB, di ta mo balance kay 0 atong distribution factor. For joint B, you have an unbalanced moment of negative 37.83. So i-balance nimo siya og times nimo sa distribution factor nga 2/3 and opposite in sign. So negative man ni, so ang imong balancing moments are all positive. And then times the distribution factor, which is 2/3, so you have 25.22. Yang diri sa BC, minus 37.83 times 1/3, so you have 12.61. Okay, at joint C, you have CB and CD. So there is an unbalanced moment of 41.5. Kay 61.5 man ni og minus 20, no? So ang difference nila is 41.5. Imo siyang i-balance og opposite in sign nya times the distribution factor which is 1. So this will be minus 41.5. Okay. And then next step is to carry over. Okay? So si AB muhatag ni BA and BA will give to AB the same sign but 1/2 the amount. Okay? So ang imong 25.22 sa BA muhatag siya sa AB 1/2 the amount 12.61. Nya ang diri sa AB 0 man, so ihatag niya po dito 0. Okay, si BC muhatag ni CB and CB will give to BC 1/2 the amount. Okay, so you have minus 41.5 divided by 2, so minus 20.75, and the moment in BC which is 12.61 divided by 2, so you have 6.305. Okay, then balance na pod, no? So balance, so di ka mo balance sa AB kay 0 ang distribution factor. And then so at joint B you have now the moments 13.83 and 6.917, all are positive. So imo ni silang i-add. Okay, so i-add nimo ni sila at times nimo sa distribution factor. Okay, nga 2/3. So ang iyang balancing moment is 2.102. Okay, so ang ilang, excuse me,